there's a blizzard coming on. How I'm wishing I was home, for my pony's lame and he can hardly stand. Lord, my hands feel like they're froze, and there's a numbness in my toes. But it's only 7 miles to Marianne's. It's only 7 miles to Marianne's. You can bet we're on her mind, for it's nearly supper time. And I bet that there's hot biscuits in the pan. Listen to that norther side. If we don't get home, we'll die. But it's only 5 more miles to Marianne's. It's only 5 more miles to Marianne's. The wind's howling, and it seems mighty like a woman's scream. And we best be moving faster if we can. Then just think about that barn with that hay so soft and warm. It's only 3 more miles to Marianne's. It's only 3 more miles to Marianne's. Come on, Dan, get up, you ornery cuz, or you'll be the death of us. I'm so weary, but I'll help you if I can. All right, Dan, perhaps it's best we just stop a while and rest, for it's still another mile to Marianne's. It's still another mile to Marianne's. Late that night, the storm was gone, and they found him there at dawn. He'd made it, but he couldn't leave old Dan. Yes, they found him on the plains, his hands frozen to the reins. He was just 100 yards from Marianne's. He was just 100 yards from Marianne's.